The production process starts with us taking sheets, squaring those sheets, doing all of the openings in the material, then seam welding the material. Once that's completed, the welded sheets are then advanced to the plate rollers, and the plate rollers' job is to shape the barrel to the appropriate pattern depending on the customer order. After the rolling is complete, the barrel sections are then put on the alignment pipes. They are tack welded together. Once that is complete, they are moved from the alignment pipes to a set of tank turners where the circumferential weld is completed. We start by welding the internal part of that joint, followed by doing the external section of the joint. While that process is being completed, we then form our heads and baffles for each tank. They are produced in the order they are installed into each barrel. Depending on the number of compartments, that will determine how many heads and baffles are made. At the same time that that is occurring, we are building the running gear frames for both the B-train lead and B-train pup. Those frames are welded assemblies. Once they're completed, steel frames are sent off for powder coating. They will advance to the next section where the ABS system, the air system, and suspensions are installed. Everything is tested before they go under the tanker. Any and all fabricated parts are cut in our pre-assembly area. Those parts can be pre-welded and or ready for mechanical assembly. Once the barrel sections are welded together, they are moved to our barrel department. In the barrel department, we start by stuffing the heads and baffles, starting at the front of the tank and moving to the rear of the tank. All final welding occurs in the barrel department for the internal part of the barrel, as well as all external components. Everything is tested before it moves to the next area. Once all of that is complete, the barrel is moved to our finishing department. At that time, the completed running gear frame is connected to the tank frame. All of the electrical and piping, ladders, fenders, wheel alignment, and every other mechanical assembly is completed at that point. Once the tank is ready for testing, we then do the B620 tests, which includes a visual external inspection, visual internal inspection, a pressure test of the vessel and each compartment, as well as a leak test for each compartment for each vessel. All final testing is completed and signed off on.